In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your Squarespace 7.0 site to 7.1. First, open your Squarespace 7.0 website dashboard. Sign in and select the site you want to work on so you're looking at the home panel for that site. Take a quick moment to get oriented, know which pages matter most, and if you have a store, blog, or portfolio, keep those in mind as you move through the process. This will help you focus your checks later. Next, check whether your site is eligible for the 7.1 migration flow. In many accounts, you'll see an option in the dashboard that mentions updating or migrating to 7.1. If that option appears, your site is eligible and you can proceed. If you don't see it, your site may already be on 7.1 or it may not be eligible for the automated flow. Once you've confirmed eligibility, start the migration or update tool. Click the prompt in your dashboard to launch the guided process. The tool will copy your existing content and prepare a 7.1 version using the new editing experience. Don't worry, this guided flow is designed to keep things clear and reversible until you confirm the change. Before committing, preview how your 7.1 site will look after the move. Use the preview to browse your homepage, interior pages, and any special sections like your blog or shop. Pay attention to headers, footers, spacing, and buttons. Because 7.1 uses a different design system, some style details may look slightly different at first glance, which is normal. Now, review the pages, styles, and content before confirming. Open your style settings and confirm your brand fonts and colors feel right. Check your navigation to ensure all pages appear in the correct order. Scan a few representative pages, a long text page, a gallery, a blog post, a product page if you sell online, and a contact page with forms. Look for alignment issues, image cropping, and any text that needs slight formatting tweaks. The idea here is to catch anything small while you're still in preview. When you're satisfied, complete the migration to Squarespace 7.1. Confirm in the tool and let the process finish. This may take a moment as your content and design are finalized in the new version. Finally, recheck the site and fix anything that needs adjustment. Click through all key pages again, test links and buttons, and view the site on mobile and desktop to confirm consistency. Make small style refinements, tighten spacing, and verify forms and store settings work as expected. Once everything looks great, you're ready to move forward confidently on Squarespace 7.1.